What's up, guys? So a package has arrived today. Mr. DT has sent the little model car that he made us. I believe that's what this is. So we're going to quickly open it up. I don't know if it's the right way now or not. It doesn't say on there. Now that it's been closed, Hot Wheels is in a 3D printer package. Now keep in mind, guys, he made this himself. So there's no fancy packaging box or anything like this. This is something that he customly made for me and to represent the golf and the Fluffy Nation. So I purchased this to go with me to my car shows, to show it off, promote. And if you guys are looking for anything like this, make sure to hit him up. I'm going to be tagging him in my TikTok video, or just DM me. There it is. I think it might be upside down. Sorry, Mr. DT. If it is, I don't know. This is how the couriers gave it to me. You can hear it rolling around in the background here. I might have to get some scissors. Give me a second. Alright. Back. Oh, I'm so excited to see this thing! Woo! Let me damage it. Now, he makes many different models. Just keep that in mind. He makes a lot of models. I asked him to make my car specifically, and we're going to see how accurate it is. We did do some changes to my car ever since I gave him a reference of my car, so something that might look a little bit different. But the stickers that are on here are going to be put on next year on my vehicle as well. And yeah, look at that. Again, huge shout out to Mr. DT. Thank you so much for the model, man. I really appreciate it. Absolutely amazing craftsmanship. And if you guys want to leave a comment below to what you think of the model, go for it. And remember to subscribe and make sure that you leave a like on this video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.